Picture this. You are sitting at a nice restaurant. The lighting is warm. The mood is perfect. The waiter hands you the menu, and then it happens. Your arm slowly stretches out. A little more. A little further. Until the words finally stop looking like a blur. Does that sound familiar? Or maybe you know this one. You are searching the house, checking every room, every pocket, every counter. Those reading glasses that seem to disappear right when you need them the most. That daily frustration, that quiet little battle that reminds you time is moving forward, may finally be coming to an end. Imagine a world where reading a text message, checking your watch, or reading the label on a bottle at the grocery store requires nothing. No glasses, no squinting, nothing at all. Today, as your trusted health educator, I am not here to tell you a fairy tale. I am here to share the truth about a real scientific breakthrough that just received the green light, and that promises millions of people a life free from reading glasses. But the big question is, are these new eye drops the miracle solution we have all been waiting for? Or is there a catch you need to know before you get too excited? Stay with me, because we are going to go through every single detail. No hype, no guessing, just honest science. Before we talk about the solution, we need to understand the problem. And this problem is one that almost every single person in this room has experienced or will experience. It is called presbyopia, but you probably know it by another name: blurry close-up vision, or simply aging eyes. It happens to nearly everyone starting around age 40 or 45. In fact, close to 2 billion people around the world have presbyopia right now, and experts believe that number could grow to over 4 billion by the year 2050. Now here is something important to understand. This is not a disease. It is as natural as gray hair or wrinkles. But that does not make it any less frustrating. So what is actually happening inside your eye? Think of the lens inside your eye like a small piece of soft jelly when you are young. It is flexible, stretchy, and surrounded by a tiny muscle that works like the autofocus on a camera. To see far away, that muscle relaxes. To see something close up, like reading this right now, the muscle tightens and squeezes the lens, bending it to bring the words into focus. It happens thousands of times every single day, and you never even notice it. But with age, that lens slowly becomes more rigid, more stiff. The muscle keeps trying just as hard, but the lens does not bend the way it used to. So your closest point of focus keeps moving further and further away. First, you need a little more light to read. Then, without realizing it, you start holding your phone further out. That is the famous long arm syndrome. And eventually, the arm just is not long enough, and the reading glasses become a permanent companion. And this is where the real frustration lives. It is not just about blurry vision. It is about feeling like you are losing a little independence every day. It is the hassle of carrying glasses everywhere, having pairs in every room of the house, and still not finding any when you need them. It is the cost of replacing ones that get lost or broken. And for many people, it is a quiet reminder that the years are passing, a label they would rather not wear. Until now, the options were limited. Reading glasses work fine, but only for one distance. The moment you look up from the page, everything else goes blurry. Progressive lenses are more flexible, but they take time to adjust too, and they have distortions along the edges. And then there is surgery, like intraocular lens replacement, which is invasive, expensive, and carries real risks. That was the situation. A universal problem with solutions that always came with a price. Until now. In early 2026, something happened that could change everything. The FDA, the most powerful health regulatory agency in the world, approved a treatment that is not glasses, not contacts, and not surgery. It is an eye drop. A single drop that promises to restore your close-up vision for up to 10 hours with just one application per day. The name of this medication is Yuvesti, and now a newer and more advanced version has arrived. It is called Yuvesti, developed by Tint Therapeutics. This approval is not just another headline. It is a genuine milestone. It is the result of years of research and the beginning of what many experts are calling the next generation of presbyopia treatment. You may have heard of earlier eye drops like Yuvesti, which was the first to be approved. It was a big step forward, but it had its limitations. The effect did not last as long. Some people needed a second dose during the day, and many noticed redness and irritation. Yuvesti was designed to fix exactly those problems. One drop per day, effects that last up to 10 hours, and much better tolerated by the eye. The FDA did not take this approval lightly. It is based on results from 2 large clinical studies. And what makes it even more impressive is that the safety of Yuvesti was tested in the longest study ever done for an eye drop of this kind, with patients followed for up to a full year. The data was strong enough to convince regulators that this is a safe and effective option for millions of people. So think about what this means. 1 drop in each eye in the morning, and for the entire workday, at lunch with friends, at the dinner table that evening, you could read the finest print without any help at all. The idea is incredibly powerful, but as a health educator, it is my job to go deeper than the headline. The real question is not just what it does, it is how it does it. Here is where the science gets fascinating. When people first hear about these drops, many imagine some kind of miracle formula that rejuvenates the eye and restores its youthful flexibility. But that is not how it works. Yuvesti does not cure presbyopia. Its genius is something different entirely. It is an optical trick, a brilliant piece of bioengineering that changes the way light enters your eye so that you can focus again. Think about a camera. If you want everything, near and far, to come out sharp in the same photo, what do? You narrow the aperture. You make the opening smaller. When you do that, you increase the depth of field. Everything comes into sharper focus. That is exactly the principle behind Yuvesti. It is called the pinhole effect. The drop works by gently constricting your pupil, making it smaller. This blocks the scattered peripheral rays of light and allows only the more focused central rays to pass through. The result is a much sharper image up close and at arm's length, without significantly affecting your distance vision. And what makes Yuvesti truly remarkable is its dual-action formula. It combines 2 active ingredients in 1 small bottle, and each one plays a critical role. The first ingredient is carbachol. This is the engine of the operation. It is a miotic agent, meaning it acts on the muscles of the iris to constrict the pupil and create that focusing effect. It is directly responsible for restoring your near vision. But if carbachol were used alone, the same problems would return. Shorter duration, more discomfort. That is where the second ingredient comes in, the quiet hero of the formula, brimonidine tartrate. Brimonidine has 2 jobs. First, it dramatically reduces eye redness, which was one of the most common complaints with first-generation drops. That alone makes the experience far more comfortable. Its second job is even smarter. It helps the effect of carbachol last significantly longer. Together, they create a perfect partnership. The carbachol creates the focus. The brimonidine makes it comfortable and extends it all the way to 10 hours. In plain terms, this is not magic. It is physics and pharmacology working together. Yuvesti does not give you the eyes of a 25-year-old, but it gives your 55 or 60-year-old eyes a sophisticated tool to bend the light just right and let you see up close again. It is a temporary solution that lasts as long as the effect does. But on most days, the experience feels like presbyopia simply does not exist. And once you understand how it works, you also understand why it is not for everyone. After hearing all of this, it is tempting to think we have found the answer for every single person. But medicine, as always, is more nuanced than that. According to the clinical studies, the ideal candidate is someone between the ages of 40 and 55 with mild to moderate presbyopia. At that stage, the lens still retains some flexibility, and the prescription for near vision is not yet too strong. For these people, the drops can provide near total independence from reading glasses throughout the day. Phone, laptop, restaurant menus, food labels, all of it. Now for the other side of the picture. For people over 60 or 65, presbyopia is more advanced, and the near prescription tends to be significantly higher. The drops may still help, but they may not fully replace the need for glasses. There will be improvement, but perhaps not the complete freedom they were hoping for. People with cataracts need to be especially careful. A cataract means the lens is cloudy. If you reduce the amount of light entering the eye while that light also has to pass through an opaque lens, overall vision could actually worsen, especially in dim environments. People with very high nearsightedness or farsightedness may find the effect less predictable. And people with certain eye conditions, including a history of narrow-angle glaucoma, uveitis, or retinal issues, need a thorough evaluation before using these drops. The message I want you to hold on to is this. Yuvesti is not something you buy online. It is a prescription medication for a very clear reason. The only person who can tell you whether you are a good candidate is your eye doctor, after a complete examination. That is the only way to ensure the treatment will actually work for you, and, most importantly, that it is safe. Now, when something sounds this promising, the natural question is, where's the catch? What are the risks? Being transparent here is everything. So let us look at the full safety profile. The first piece of news is genuinely good. In the clinical studies, there were no serious adverse effects related to the treatment. Thanks to the brimonidine in the formula, eye redness affected fewer than 3% of users. But safe does not mean without any side effects at all. There are some, generally mild and temporary, that you should know about. The most common is a mild headache or a heavy feeling around the eyebrows, especially in the first few days. Why? Because the ciliary muscle, which has been getting by with the help of glasses, is suddenly working hard again. Think of it like sore muscles after your first week back at the gym. It usually fades within days. There can also be a brief stinging sensation when the drop is applied, lasting only a few seconds, and a possible slight blurring right after application as the eye adjusts. All of that is manageable. But now comes the most important warning, the one you need to remember clearly. When the drops are active, your pupil stays small. That means less light enters the eye. During the day, in good lighting, this is not a problem. But at night, or in dark environments, like a movie theater, a parking garage, or a dimly lit restaurant, the situation changes significantly. Normally, your pupil expands to capture as much light as possible in the dark. With Yuvesti, it cannot do that. The result is noticeably reduced night vision. It is like wearing a very light pair of sunglasses in a dark room. This leads to the most serious safety warning of all. You should not drive at night or operate heavy machinery in low light conditions while the drop is still active. This is a non-negotiable safety rule. Your reaction time and ability to see obstacles are genuinely affected. Yuvesti is a daytime solution. Full stop. And while it is extremely rare, there is a theoretical risk of retinal detachment in patients with existing risk factors. It was not observed in the Yuvesti studies, but it is one more reason why professional supervision is absolutely essential. Now let us put Yuvesti in context against everything else out there. Compared to reading glasses, Yuvesti offers real freedom. Reading glasses are reliable, but you depend on an object that gets lost, scratched, or left in another room. And they only work at one fixed distance. Yuvesti gives you functional vision across multiple distances without wearing anything at all. That is freedom versus dependence. Compared to multifocal contact lenses, Yuvesti is far simpler. Contacts can cause dry eyes and require daily cleaning routines. For someone who has never worn contacts before, starting at 55 or 65 can be quite an adjustment. One drop in the morning is a very different level of effort. The monthly cost of Yuvesti is estimated between $70 and $100, which is comparable to premium multifocal contacts. Compared to presbyopia surgery, Yuvesti is in a completely different category. Surgery is the only permanent option, but it carries real risks, a recovery period, a much higher cost, and it cannot be undone. If your eyes do not adapt well to the new lens, that becomes a serious problem. Yuvesti is the opposite. It is non-invasive. Its effect is temporary and completely reversible. If you skip a day, your vision returns to exactly what it was before. That is ideal for anyone who wants a real solution without the commitment and risk of surgery. So here is my honest recommendation as a health educator. Yes, I believe in Yuvesti, but it is a yes with conditions. I do not see this as something you necessarily use every single day of the year. I see it as a powerful tool that improves your quality of life in specific moments. It is perfect for someone who does not want to keep putting glasses on and taking them off during meetings. It is wonderful for enjoying a hobby like cooking, painting, or working on a model. It is ideal for a wedding, a dinner out, a day at the park or the beach where glasses are simply a nuisance. Yuvesti gives you freedom and flexibility. You can use it on the days you want and stick with your regular glasses on the days you do not. It is an option, not an obligation. Looking forward, the approval of Yuvesti is a signal that pharmacology is becoming a legitimate third path in vision correction. With an aging population and billions of future presbyopia cases on the horizon, the need for safe and innovative solutions is enormous. Yuvesti is most likely just the beginning of a new era. One important clarification about availability. As of February 2026, Yuvesti is approved and launching here in the United States. There are no confirmed dates yet for availability in other countries. So please be cautious of any website claiming to sell it outside of official channels. So if you take one thing away from everything we have covered today, let it be this. Yuvesti is a real, clinically proven solution that can free you from reading glasses during the day. It is not a miracle, and it is not for everyone. It works best for people between 40 and 55 with mild to moderate presbyopia. And above everything else, safety comes first. Respect the nighttime driving warning. And always seek guidance from a professional before starting. That is my most important advice to you. If this technology interests you, your first step is not to search for it online. It is to call your eye doctor and schedule an appointment. Tell them what you are hoping for. Let them do a full evaluation and tell you honestly whether you are a good candidate. Your eyes are not something to take chances with. Now I would love to hear from you. After everything we have gone through today, would you consider trying eye drops like these? Or do you prefer the simplicity of your reading glasses? Leave your answer in the comments below. I read every single one, and I cannot wait to hear what you think.